Hello everyone, welcome to Prasa Academy. Welcome to second day of fundamentals of Python programming. Yesterday we were discussing about input variable, and we have seen how input variable helps us to execute some of the important codes. Accordingly, uh, I remember that in the last class we have just seen how a input variable can work. Here in this case we have done name is equal to input variable and in bracket your name, that's all. So when I executed that particular code, just asked me how to, I have to write my name, yes, that's it, and your name Sandesh. It was a very simple code which we had executed in the last class. Now let's take this input variable to the next level. Okay, uh, let's say once again, let's define the same variable name, input variable. What is your name, right? So yes, this is what we have done. But later what we are going to do is, just like when I want to give a welcome message as soon as a customer or a general public enters my shop. Let's imagine like that. Okay. So what I want now, welcome. I want to welcome that particular person. How I will welcome? Because in the beginning itself I would have asked his or her name, the input variable name, whatever I have given is name here. Close the bracket, control enter. What is your name? I'll just type my name here, Sandesh, enter. See, can you see the message? Welcome Sandesh. This helps us to understand how a input variable can work. Today, as soon as you go to any mall, any shopping complex, any shop for that matter, you can find various uh, computer screens which helps you to navigate where exactly a product is, which floor it is, right? So all those things will work on the same basis, right? One of the, or any website for that matter, you want to browse some important information. As soon as you go to a particular website, it asks your name, your email id, your phone number, to collect the database, obviously to collect the database. And this is how it works. One of the best example of uh, one of the best website which is created using Python is IRCTC website, the Indian Railway ticket booking platform, right? So accordingly, now I want to let's consider this input variable further. I want to uh, write the age in number of months. Okay, I want to print, say, in the sense, if I am telling that uh, write your name in Python programming, I want to print the name in months. As soon as you write the name in the in sorry, you write your age in years, I want to convert that into number of months, and I have to show that to you. Okay, so what I want to do now, age is equal to input variable. What is the input variable I need? Enter your age. Enter your age. Hope I am clear. Why I am doing this, why I am giving two spaces here, to have a much better clarity. Now please look at the screen, print you are, comma, I'm writing the age, the name of the variable age, into 12. As we know, it is very simple. If I multiply with number of months in a year, I should get the month. That's all, right? Months old. Months. Month old. That's it. I'm expecting a answer which will help me to get to know how many month old I am. Okay, control enter. I'm going to enter the age, let's say 30. I'm entering 30. Now what is my expected answer? 30 years is the age. I want to multiply it with 12 so that I will get to know how many month old I am. Do you think you are going to get the same answer? I'm hoping that I will get the same answer, but I get a different answer. Why I am getting a different answer? You can see there you are 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. 12 times month old. My God, what is this? I wanted month over there, but why it is giving me 30 12 times. I don't wanted that. I wanted Python to multiply 30 into 12. But why it is like that? Very simple reason behind that is Python has considered this age input variable, whatever you have given. Can you see those quotes ending over there? As a string variable. It is considering this particular input variable as a string variable. I have to just like this dollar symbol. Yesterday we have seen that, right? This is a string variable. As soon as I use quotes over there, automatically it will become a string variable. Now I have to tell Mr. or Miss Python that no sir, it is not a string variable. And how do I tell that? I tell that age is not a string, it is integer. Which one is integer? Age is integer. Control enter. Now I will type 30. Now I should get my desired answer. Voila, I got my answer. You are 360 month old. Hope you have understood now. It is clearly telling me that now you are 360 month old. In the previous example, what had happened here, it showed 30 12 times, whereas here it is telling me you are exactly 360 month old. Why? How come? How it is possible? Because in the previous one Python thought it is a string variable. Now it has understood that it is not a string variable, it is an integer, and later it knows how to work with a integer. Hope you have understood that. Correct? Yeah. Now let's understand some arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Simple. Once again, as all of us know that uh, you can do a simple arithmetic operators here as well in Python, right? So print I want to make sure that there is an addition which is happening here. Addition is equal to, okay, then comma, which one? Variable a plus variable b, a plus b, simple. Control enter. Addition is equal to 30. If I reduce the size here, the space here, yeah, addition is equal to 30. Accordingly, what I can do? Subtraction. A minus b. Obviously A is 10, B is 20. I will get minus 10 as my answer. So if I do like this, B minus A, yes, it is 10 now. Correct. So addition is over, subtraction is over. Now I want Python to multiply A into B. 200. Simple. Multiplication is also over. I want it to divide. So which one I will use? A slash B 0.5. Correct? It is giving me 0.5 as my answer, and that is correct as well. Now I don't want this decimal point. I don't want this decimal point, and for that I have to use something called as floor division. I have to use something called as floor division. Floor division is equal to 2. In the previous example, if I would have taken B by A, what would have been the answer? 2.0, obviously. Okay, so it is giving me the same answer. A by B is 0.5, right? 0.5. I will show you the same thing here once again. A double slash B will give me 0 because it is avoiding the decimal point here. It is avoiding the decimal point. Okay, so next let's understand modulus, or in a general understanding we call it as remainder. We call it as remainder, modulus. Okay, so modulus A, here you need to use this percentage. The remainder, you will get the remainder. Modulus is 10. Okay, the last one is to the power of exponential. Exponential. How do you do that? You use double star. Control enter. You got the answer, right? Okay, thank you so much. That's it for the day. We will continue in the next class. Thank you so much.